Hello, I'm Brian Stans, Vice President, Global Support Services at Spinnaker Support. This video details what IT decision makers need to know about Oracle's looming abandonment of the long-running JD Edwards World platform. We also review the steps you can take to protect your legacy ERP now so that you do not feel rushed into deciding about whether to switch to EnterpriseOne or to a different ERP solution altogether. Let's get started. I've been working with JD Edwards software for over 3 decades, and what amazes me about JD Edwards World is that it's still running strong for many organizations. JD Edwards World, the original RPG-based product, was published by the JD Edwards World Solution Company in 1977. This is a testament to the quality of that product then and now, as it is still a vital platform for hundreds of successful companies. What other technology was created in 1977 that is still working today? The list is short. I think of NASA's Voyager 1 and 2 spacecrafts, launched that same year. To this day, they are still transmitting from interstellar space back to Earth. But I digress. Let's get back to our world. We know that JD Edwards World customers are at a crossroads of epic significance. The former GM of JD Edwards has written posts on LinkedIn about World being legacy and that companies need to move to EnterpriseOne or the Oracle Cloud products. The question that IT executives are forced to ask themselves is simply, do we stick with World? At this critical juncture, JD Edwards World customers have 3 options. Number 1, remain on Oracle's expensive JD Edwards World support plan for as long as possible. Number 2, migrate to a new ERP product. Or number 3, transition to a third-party JD Edwards World support provider, such as Spinnaker Support. Now let's break these down a little bit more. Oracle is making it very difficult for JD Edwards World customers. Sure, World customers can still get some support from Oracle. Premium support is available only for the last World release, A9.4. However, this support is targeted to end in April of 2022. Extended support can be purchased for an additional 3 years at a 20% markup on top of their current maintenance. But extended support for World will not be available at all after April of 2025. That's expensive and subpar support. And the rub with this option is that Oracle is not staffed to support World adequately. And by the way, Oracle is now supporting World on non-US time zones. They are not invested in creating a robust customer experience. This is an expensive and underwhelming support option. If you want to cause panic attacks in an IT department, just mention the words, "It's time to migrate to a new ERP." You'll see a lot of concerned faces. Yes, sometimes this is the right move, but the cost, planning, and possible anguish that causes is not for the faint of heart. Making such a dramatic move takes years of planning. So if that's the route you're taking, who's supporting your JD Edwards World ERP? It's not going to be Oracle, that's for sure. Oracle's support model, as you all know, is mostly based on self-service. So you, the customer, have to research the issue yourself on the My Oracle Support portal. This can be costly in time and frustration. At Spinnaker, you have assigned people that you can speak to directly about your issue and work to resolution. Yes, we actually pick up the phone. One of these years, unfortunately, we'll no longer hear from Voyager 1 and 2, just as JD Edwards World will have outlived itself. But with the help of Spinnaker Support, you can still get many more productive years out of World. Here are just a few ways we can help you through third-party World support and managed services. We will provide year-end updates directly in your World system, regardless of World release. We will maintain your current customizations, which Oracle will not. We can manage your license keys if you decide to move to a new or different iSeries machine. We can provide iSeries administration to replace or augment those hard-to-find World and iSeries resources. We provide a dedicated account support lead, ASL, so that you can talk to someone you know instead of searching My Oracle Support. We have experts on World who are ex-JDE developers and support staff with rich expertise. With an average of 24 years of experience across Spinnaker Support's JDE team, our highly knowledgeable Level 2 and 3 experts add maximum expertise to your staff during times of need. Our application engineers can partner with your IT support to offer a quick turnaround on issue resolution or help push much anticipated projects to fruition. Your world is our world. We will provide you with expert support and year-end changes for as long as you want to run World. We also have the ultimate support guarantee for new customers so that you can feel confident about your decision to work with Spinnaker Support. If you have questions on how Spinnaker Support would be able to help your organization, please go to our website, spinnakersupport.com, and click on the contact button to get the dialogue started. I look forward to meeting you and helping you make the most of your investment in JD Edwards World software. Thanks for watching.